Good afternoon, welcome to Kenya Village Life Channel. I'm your presenter, Mr. Josiah Mahima. Hope you are doing well wherever you're watching me from. So please subscribe, share and like this video. So today I want to show you how we cook here in the villages. What type of cooking we use. So today I'm going to show you a unique African cooker. We call it the African jiko. Hope you'll enjoy. So you see now we are preparing the African jiko. Here we have my cousin Nekesa. Nekesa, say hi to the people. Yeah, Nekesa is working there. She's tired. She has worked hard. So we want to see the jiko. This is the firewood that she's using. And this is now the jiko. It's lighting. As you can see, it's lighting. So I want to go in. I want to go into the jiko. You see it's lighting with the firewood. I want to show you how the jiko. Now she's putting in firewood. So Nekesa, what do you want to cook today? Yeah, what? Yeah, she wants to cook maize. She wants to boil maize. She wants to boil maize. Yes. So this is the firewood that she's using. And then she puts it there. And then it goes up the chimney. You can see the chimney there. So today you are going to see how an African jiko works. Yes. So you want to go give a close view. There, that's the African jiko. It's on. It's burning firewood. It burns a lot of firewood. So you have to collect the firewood here. You have to collect the firewood. So let me give you time to see how it lights up the African jiko. You can see the chimney there lighting up. Then we see. So let me give you time to watch how the African jiko lights. You can tell us, do you use such jikos in your home? So here in Africa, people use firewood mostly or charcoal to cook because then they say renewable energies are very expensive, like gas. A gas cylinder, the cheapest in Kenya, can cost $10. That is 1,500, and very few people can afford such money. So very few people can afford such money. So you can see how we light. You can see the jiko. You put there the firewood down here, and then it goes up the chimney. So it goes, you put there, it goes up the chimney and out. So they want to put, my cousin wants to put the maize. Show them what you are cooking today. A maize. So just show us, show us the maize. Very good. So we want to boil this maize for breakfast. Boil for breakfast. So Nekesa, how long will it take? Yes?
1 hour.
1 hour. Very good. So Nekesa the chef. He said the chef. Nekesa the chef. So it's cooking. So it's going to cook for 1 hour. So you can see. Then you have the chimney there. So it's cooking. So you can see. So Nekesa, 1 minute. Just come. So, tell us, Nekesa, how long have you cooked with jiko?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you find it? Look at the camera. Just a second. Yeah? For 2 years. So how is it? Between this and cooking with the gas, which is better?
Jiko is better.
Okay. Why? Just give us one reason. Just one. Why you think it's better? Okay. So Nekesa is saying, yeah, and then you have Edwin. Edwin, say hi to the subscribers. You are showing your back. Edwin, the strongest man in Africa. The strongest man in Africa. So, we go back to Nekesa. Nekesa the chef. Nekesa the chef is cooking, putting in firewood. Nekesa the chef is putting in firewood. It's putting in firewood. This is Nekesa the chef. Now she's putting in more firewood. So she's putting in more firewood. So this is how we cook in the villages. We have the firewood, we have the sufuria, and it's cooking. So if you cook in the village, if you cook in your area like this, you can tell us. Yes. So you can see the fire. It's cooking very well. It's cooking very well. So this is the African jiko that people use for cooking here in Kenya, Africa, because of the firewood, because of charcoal, because of charcoal. Yes. So we want to thank Nekesa, the chef, for sharing with us what she does in the kitchen. Yes, so we continue. It's cooking very well. I hear it cooks even faster than a gas, renewable energy. So here renewable energy, there I said is $10, 1,500. But now most people don't have money. People survive on $1 per day. So if you tell them to buy gas cylinders for $10, they can't afford. So this is the African jiko. So this is the African jiko. So this is how it's cooking. Yeah, so it's cooking. It's going to cook for 1 hour. Nikabona into eshide uma mumukoya nani siwekese yosibe nyanga yamalwa. So we are so it's going on. So you have there the firewood. It's continuing burning. So it's going. It's going. So it's going. The African jiko. So this has been in Africa for many years. From the time I was young up to now, people still use jikos like these ones, which rely on firewood and charcoal. This is the African firewood, African jiko. So you can see, look at the smoke going up, up. Yes. So you have to cook outside, because in the house the smoke will be too much. So that's the way it is. So I'm showing you around how it is. So that's the African jiko from all angles. The chimney, and it's cooking. The firewood that people use. Yeah, the African jiko has been in Africa for you can say for 100 years. For over 100 years, people have used the African jiko. There's the one for the 3 stones, but this one is manufactured by local ingenuity. You can see the African jiko. Yes, you can see. So we continue. So watch for a few minutes as the African jiko cooks boiled maize. Cooks boiled maize. That's the African jiko. It's cooking boiled maize. So you can see the African jiko. African jiko. So please comment, do you have such jikos in your home country, or do you use renewable energy like gas, electricity? Comment there. So that's the African jiko for you, today's program. Again, this is Kenya Village Life video channel, as you may put it. Hope you have enjoyed seeing the African jiko, how we cook here in the villages. And if you like what you have seen, you can support the channel through mobile M-Pesa. You have the 12 plus 254 769 729 327. I repeat again, plus 254 769 729 327. Hope you have enjoyed it. And as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, Gwaheri.